As shadows fall. The pain it pauses, vain it moves on. Another night's begun in a Babylon. You can join me if you dare, as shadows fall in dark despair. And I played music and I made art and I read Socrates, Jean-Paul Sartre, but I found no answer as I recall. In dark despair, as shadows fall, the barren tree that bears no fruit, the broken branch, the withered root. I should add shadows on my wall, and dark despair, the shadows fall. And I tried yoga, and I tried Zen, I tried cocaine and heroin. There were no comfort, none at all, and dark despair, the shadows fall. And I tried pills and alcohol, and I tried Christ, I tried it all, but I never heard the angels call. In dark despair, the shadows fall. In dark despair, the shadows fall.